In the world of digital advertising, ads need to be flexible and adaptable to different screens and spaces. After all, websites and apps come in all shapes and sizes, and advertisers need to ensure their content displays correctly no matter where it appears. Responsive display ads are a type of ad format offered by Google Ads that can adjust automatically to fit the size of any available ad space. This means that whether your ad is being shown on a desktop or a mobile device, it will resize itself to ensure it looks great and delivers your message effectively. These ads can include images, headlines, logos, and descriptions. When an advertiser uploads assets like image or text, Google's algorithms take care of the rest, adjusting the ad to fit the specific ad space on a web page or app. The result? A seamless, user-friendly experience that maximizes your reach without needing to create multiple versions of the same ad. Adaptability. Since RDAs automatically adjust to different screen sizes and ad spaces, they're perfect for websites and apps with dynamic layouts. You don't need to manually resize your ad for different placements. Better performance. Google's machine learning algorithms optimize the ad based on the context, helping improve engagement. This means your ad has a higher chance of reaching the right audience in a visually appealing way. Time and cost effective. Rather than designing multiple ads for different sizes, such as a 300 by 250 or 728 by 90 banners, RDAs allow you to create one ad that works across all placements. This not only saves time but can reduce costs too. When setting up an RDA campaign in Google Ads, you'll upload various elements such as images, headlines, logos, and descriptions. Google's system then tests different combinations of these elements and serves the one that's most likely to perform best for a given context. You don't have to worry about manually adjusting the ad size. It's all done automatically. If you're looking for an ad format that's versatile and adjusts to available ad space, responsive display ads are the way to go. They offer flexibility, efficiency, and optimized performance, making them the go-to choice for digital marketers. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.